Hello everyone, I am Geeta Sharma, Assistant Professor in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today I am delivering the topic about the matrix. Firstly, we will define the matrix. Matrix is an arrangement of m numbers arranged in m horizontal lines, where m horizontal lines we can say it as m rows, or n vertical lines, where n vertical lines means n columns, is called a matrix of order m by n, where order m by n means m number of rows and n number of columns. This is the order of matrix. Matrix A is denoted by A matrix equal A11, A12, A13 up to A1n, A21, A22, A23 up to A2n, A31, A32, A33 up to A3n, so on AN1, AN2, AN3 up to ANn. This is the general form of the matrix, where A11 means first row, first column, element of first row and first column. A12 means element of first row, second column. A13 means an element of first row and third column. Here we will define the matrix. Now, the matrix A may also be denoted by A of order m by n, with m rows and n columns. And here we will talk about the element. This element A11, this element A12, 1 3, 2 3, A32, A33. Each element of the matrix is called as the entry of the matrix. Means each entry of the matrix is called the entry, or we can say element of the matrix, and is denoted by Aij, where I means number of rows and J means number of columns. So we will say each entry of the element denoted by Aij. Okay. Now for example, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5. This is the matrix. We can say A matrix. In this is first row and this is second row. So we have two rows, one first row and two second row. So we have two rows and first, second, third, three column and three column. And number of entries in these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 entries. Or we can talk about the entry by m by n. We can multiply both m by n for the number of element. 2 multiply 3 equals 6 means we have the entry 6 in this element. Okay. So here we will talk about the matrix. And entry of the matrix, number of rows, number of columns and order of matrix.